back to the patch. You know, all right? Very well. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
So it's gonna cost this much. And I remember last time they were like, oh, it's gonna be 60,000 yen, and I was like, on the phone, y'all said 40,000. They were like, oh, okay. Basically,
Hello, good morning you guys. I woke up like at 7 a.m. So it's a nice day today. I feel very energetic. I slept well, even though like I woke up in the middle of the night for no reason. But yeah, feeling good. So I'm back in the dating scene. I know, I always promise myself that I'm not going to be getting back to that shithole ever again, but I ended up doing so. I like uploaded Tinder and Hinge, and I've been on those for the past week. And honestly, it's been nice. Like I met actually nice people. And I've been texting with a couple of them. I've been asked on a date. So I might go on a date this week. Hasn't been confirmed yet. So I don't know. Probably he's watching this right now. So, hey, when's our date going to be? I honestly decided to go back on date after like having this conversation with one of my friends. She actually like made a lot of sense, and she spoke to the smallest reason I have left in my mind, and she did actually make sense. Like she told me that it shouldn't be that serious, just like to have the bare minimum of human interactions and meet new people, go to new places, have conversations with random people. And yeah, I'm really trying to work on my attachment issues. I get attached really fast, and that's why they never really last, because I always assume that, oh, this is the person of my life, even though like they make it seem like it is, but it's actually not. They really like try to give you like this world, and you start to imagine things and all these fake scenarios, and then they just disappoint you, and with the disappointment you just don't feel what to do with it, because you really got attached to that feeling, to that imaginary world they created, and then it's just in the air, nothing happens. So yeah, That's why I really stopped dating for like 4 months probably. Like that's the last date I went on was like last February. So since then I haven't gone on any dates. Now it's summer. It's hot, so it's the best time to go out. I don't have school, so I have more time to really go out and meet new people. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing. It has a nice smell, first of all. Like, it reminds me of the beach. Even though I haven't been in the beach for like 3 years. I haven't gone to the beach in like 3 years. I hate the sun. I'm so sorry, I hate the sun. And I honestly don't have the time to go like during the evening because I work, and when I finish work, I just feel so tired. I don't even have the time to go to the beach or whatever, so I just stay at home, and that's how it's been for the past 3 years. I haven't gone to the beach, not even once. Like in my last vlog, I went to the beach and that was evening, but I didn't like swim, and we didn't stay there for like long, probably like for 30 minutes. Like I missed the smell of salt, of like the sand, people's laughing, beach ball, whatever, even though I don't know how to play it. I'm not good with balls, obviously. It's really nice out today, so we need to go out. I don't know what to wear. I feel like I wore every single outfit that I had in mind. So now I'm going to be repeating outfits, and there is nothing wrong with repeating outfits. I'm still gonna be looking the best. I'm gonna grab a drink. You see, I should be saying I grab a coffee because it's still morning. When I say grab drink, I'm not talking about like alcohol. But I don't drink coffee. And actually last time I tried iced coffee with caramel and it tasted so good. So I guess I found my drink where I can still drink coffee because I'm not a coffee person. I've never been. So yeah, that was probably like literally the first time I drank coffee and I was obsessed, like obsessed. I once tried black coffee. I didn't like it, and I only like drank it because I thought that I'm going to be staying up for the night because I had like exams the next day, but I actually ended up doing the opposite because I fell asleep right away. So yeah. So I feel like wearing blue, honestly, so I'm gonna be wearing this shirt. I thrifted this shirt and it's really, really nice. I got many compliments about this shirt. That's honestly been my style for the past year. I've been really into wearing basically what my dad has been wearing his entire life. Very grandpa-ish, very office male siren. But I honestly feel like I need to get into like a new era. I need to try a new style, but I don't know what it's going to be for this summer. Like for the summer, I'm still feeling this vibe, like old money kind of vibe. But I feel like for winter, I need to spice up like my style. You try a whole new thing. Like, I've been really into punk style, like punk hair, and that's so different. I'm so excited to try that. I'm also going to be wearing my favorite pants. I never imagined myself to be, for like my favorite pants to be the pants that I actually made. These are the pants that I actually made. And my dirtiest white sneakers that don't look white anymore, they just look beige at this point. So before I actually go out, I need to go to the grocery shop to get me some stuff because I need to make lunch. So yeah, let's go to the supermarket. Just got home, obviously. I'm so tired. I can't. I didn't have lunch, so I haven't actually eaten anything since breakfast, and I had breakfast 7 in the morning, so I am starving and I'm tired and I want to sleep. So yeah, I'm just gonna hop in a shower, then make dinner and sleep straight away. I've been actually making the same thing for the past like 2 weeks. Isn't this just the easiest thing ever? I just put any kind of meat, whether fish, chicken breast, just red meat, with some potato wedges. I like spice them to the gods, and I just put them in the oven. That's it. Very easy. I came home at 10 p.m. I don't have time to really overthink about what I'm going to be cooking. With this, I'm going to be cutting like some salad, and I'm gonna be making an omelet, and that's it. Right now, I'm going to be meeting with someone. It's just with my friends. Just a simple t-shirt and these black pants that I thrifted. t-shirt is also thrifted. I'm wearing them with my loafers. And that's it. So this is the fit, you guys. I really love my hair today. It's a good hair day.